How to put label with AI generated on Instagram post. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put label as AI generated on your Instagram post. Label with AI generated is newly launched feature in Instagram. For that, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram application installed on your device. Now go ahead and open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will reach to this section. Here now to post, tap on that plus icon at the center button below. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. From here, select the picture you want to post. Once you reach to this section, here you can swipe left and right to find the perfect filter for your post. Within it, you can also edit the post further. Once you are done editing your post, at the bottom right corner, you will find Next button. Tap on that Next button to proceed further. After processing, you will reach to this section. Here you can write any caption for your post. Once you do so, at the bottom, you will also get other options like to add location, tag people, add music, and just below the music, you will find the feature Label as Made with AI. It says we require you to label certain realistic content that's made with AI. Now, if you want to label your content as made with AI, you'll have to toggle this button to switch it on. Simply tap on that toggle button and it will be enabled. Now you can tap on that share button at the bottom to create a post. A pop-up will appear asking you if you want to share this post to your Facebook or just the Instagram. Select the option based on your preferences. Here I'm going to share my post on Instagram only, so I'm selecting the second option. After a while, you will see your post has been successfully created. Just below your username, you will see the label made with AI. So in this way, you can put label with AI on Instagram post. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.